Yesterday's class, we have started conjunctions and we did definition. We did three examples. Conjunction join two words, conjunction joins two phrases, and conjunction join two sentences. And I've asked you to write definition plus examples plus one exercise, a warm up exercise that we have done. Rewrite the sentences using the correct conjunctions. Have you all done this much work in your fair copies? All of you? All right. All right. So let's now continue further. Turn page and come on page number 124. Another exercise that we are going to do today. Okay? All right. So now fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions. Here also we have to fill the correct conjunctions, means the most suitable conjunctions according to the sentence. My favorite sports are football dash tennis. And here the connection of two words are there. So we are going to use the word and. Both are to be used. Okay, choice is not there. If there would be choice, we would have used or. But since both are there, we have to take both the sports. So we are going to use and. So my favorite sports are football and tennis. Second, I wanted to go for a film dash Geeta refused. I wanted to go for the film, but yes, but Geeta refused. I like cooking, dash I don't like washing dishes afterwards. I like cooking, but yes, I like cooking, but I don't like washing dishes afterwards. All of you are writing? Okay. I need flour, butter, sugar, dash eggs to bake a cake. So many things are there. Then one thing is left. So which word conjunction we are going to use? And yes, and eggs to bake a cake. She studies a lot. Dash does not get good marks. Now she studies a lot, but she does not get good marks. Yes, very good. Correct. So answer will be but. I did not go to the film. Dash I had a lot to study. It can be because it can be for also. It can be because it can be for also because the conjunction meaning of for is because only. Look at the chart given on the same page above where it is written conjunction, meaning and example. Now conjunction for is written and then the meaning is written because. Yes or no? So the meaning of for is because only. So you can write here for. You can write here for. I do not go to the film for I had a lot to study. It means the same thing. Okay. Then it is winter dash I'm feeling cold. It is winter. So, so what is the meaning of so? So means therefore. So means therefore. So which word we can use here? We can use the word so. It is winter, so I am feeling cold. You have got an exam tomorrow. Dash, you must study tonight. So, so, with what is the meaning? Therefore. So you can use the word so. Right there, so. S-O, so. Arhan Sahil, are you writing? Okay. I do not like jazz music dash the opera. Now here, or will come. Or will come. Now here two words are there, two types of musics are there, but the person is saying that both she doesn't like or he doesn't like. So which word will come? Neither this nor this means I do not like jazz music or the opera. Okay. See the meaning. I do not like jazz music. Look in the chart above again. Look in the chart above again. And come on two words. It will be clear to you now. Nor and or both. Look there in the chart. First, see the word nor. What it is saying. What is the meaning? And not. Yes, what is the meaning given? Nor and not. Okay. Now see the sentence. Robbie does not eat peas nor he eats carrots. Now come on to or. Or means alternative. You can have rasmalai or ice cream. Now since here in the sentence which we are doing, there is no alternative. The person is saying, I do not like jazz music dash opera means he doesn't like both. He doesn't like both. So which word we are going to use? Nor or or? Nor. I don't like, yes, I do not like the jazz music nor the opera. So right there, N-O-R, nor. Nor, what happened? Then come on to the next. I do not like the food at the restaurant dash its ambience. I do not like the food at the restaurant nor its ambience. N-O-R, nor. Neither the food nor the ambience. Yes. Neither the food nor the ambience. We will win the game dash we have a strong team. For. F-O-R, for. For means because only. So for we can use here. Lekha has lots of friends. Both conjunctions are correct. You can use any conjunction. Lekha has lots of friends. Dash she feels lonely. Yet, yet, yet she feels lonely. Okay, see the meaning in the chart again. Come back to the chart and look there. Yet meaning is but. She now again come back to the sentence and see Lekha has lots of friends, but she feels lonely. So you can use that word yet also. So write the word yet there. Yet means but we have to write the word which suits the most. So we are going to write yet. Clear? Clear to everybody? So let's revise. In the first sentence, the answer is and. Check, recheck. Second is but. Third is I like cooking, but I don't like washing dirty dishes. Then fourth, I need flour, butter, sugar, and eggs. Then fifth, she studies a lot but does not get good marks. I do not go to the film for I had to study a lot. It is winter, so I am feeling cold. You have got an exam tomorrow, so you must study tonight. I do not like jazz music nor the opera. I do not like the food at the restaurant nor its ambience. We will win the game for we have a strong team. Lekha has lots of friends, yet she feels lonely. Done in the book? Yes. Now in the copy also. Yes, Manvi. Ninth answer is nor, N-O-R, nor. It is winter, so I'm feeling cold. Yes, I'm repeating all the answers again. Now, how come all of you have missed so many answers? I'm repeating it again. Listen carefully now. First is and, A-N-D, and. Okay. Second is but. I wanted to go for a film, but Geeta refused. Third is I like cooking, but I don't like washing dirty dishes. Fourth is I need flour, butter, sugar, and eggs. Fifth is she studies a lot but does not get good marks. I do not like to go to the film. This is point number six. Four, I had to study a lot. Point number seven, it is winter, so I feeling cold. Then eighth, you have got an exam tomorrow, so you should study tonight. Then ninth, I do not like jazz music nor the opera. Then 10, I do not like the food at the restaurant nor its ambience. We will win the game for we have a strong team. Lekha has lots of friends, yet she feels lonely. Now, is it clear to everybody? You have to do this exercise in the fair copies. Okay? On a fresh page, you will write today's date. Okay? And then you will put the full heading which is given. You do not write now. Cut now from there in the heading. You will write fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions. Okay? And then you will do this exercise. Clear to everybody? And another homework is that you have to read the chart which is given on page number 125. You just have to read it. You don't have to write anything from there. You just have to read it from the book so that the meaning of conjunctions are clear to you. As we did one chart today, the chart on page number 124 we did. Similarly, the same chart is given on page number 125, which you have to read today. You don't have to write. Clear? Yes, Ritisha. No, no chart you have to write in the copy. Only exercise. Charts are only to read just now. Don't write chart until and unless I ask you to write. Okay? Just read and understand the meanings and the sentences which are given next to it. Clear to everybody? All right, then we are going to meet in the next class now.